what's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Joe writes into us, I'm giving this insurance company 1 star because there's no 0-star option. We've had this insurance company for homeowners insurance for over 30 years. We only have one close neighbor, and we both have the same insurance company for homeowners insurance. After a storm, having 1.5 to 2 inch hail come over our houses, our neighbors had a roofing contractor inspect their roof. I had them also check ours. The inspectors for the insurance company came out after we filed a claim. Our neighbor had no problem and had their whole roof replaced, while the insurance company claims department says the roofing contractor we're working with has been out less than 3 times. And of course, that they're trying to say the pictures and videos show no damage, which is weird because I have pictures and videos of the hail that was hitting our house during the storm. So the contractor submitted around 100 pictures, including close-ups of each hail strike and wide-angle drone pictures of our entire roof. The insurance company is still trying to deny our claim. Wow. So I'm going to just venture to say if you have 1.5 to 2 inch hail, pretty much any roofing system that is exposed to that kind of hail will get damaged in one way or the other. If you are experiencing hail damage and having a hailstorm at your property, I want you to take pictures and video of the storm happening. Part of your responsibility and obligation as an insured is to prove your part of the claim. So if you have proof showing hail this big hitting your house and causing the damage, it's pretty hard to dispute that. So the more evidence and information you can get us, the better we can do for you as the insured. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us help you. Let us see what we can do to help you. And if nothing else, we can point you in the right direction. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.